Krishna students, please open your Sanskrit book, page number 34. So today we are going to start question number 4. See, fill in the blanks with suitable forms of given pronoun. So they already given some pronouns in bracket, but you have to write the suitable forms. That means সঠিক রূপটা লিখতে হবে. Not the same one you have to copy and write here. Then why they will give like these options? You have to think and you have to write. How you have to think? You have to understand the meaning for choosing the proper form. You have to think. How? See. Dash विद्यालयेभ्यः छात्राः आगच्छन्ति. That means from the school students are coming. So before school we are having one dash. So we can say from that school students are coming. So for those school or like this meaning, if we have to use bahuvachan, that's why those we have to use tat panchami bahuvachanam, because from the school, and it is mentioning the school only. Tevya means those only, those which one it is mentioning, the school only it is mentioning. That's why from the school. So from that, from those, that's why panchami vibhakti. So panchami vibhakti bahuvachanam tevya. That's why it should be tevya. So for meaning only, by meaning only you can understand which form you have to write. No other choice. Now next one. Govindah dash briksat vahihi agachati. So Govinda one name. So he is coming from the home. He is coming out from the home. That's why Grihat Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So Tat Panchami Ekavachanam Tasmat. Okay, Tasmat Grihat Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Now go to next page. See. Dash Malayaha Pushpani Taranti. Dash Malayaha. Malayaha Panchami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Okay. From the garland, Pushpani Patanti, means flowers are falling down. So, from the garlands, so Bahuvachanam, Panchami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, that's why Etat Panchami Bahuvachanam Roop should be Etasyaha. Okay, now the next one. Esa Balika dash api na bibheti. Esa Balika. But here you see this Kasmat one not mentioning this Balika. Because this girl is not getting fear from anyone. So from anyone, that means it is mentioning to others, not to these girls. That's why it is written here. Kim Punglinga Roop we have to write here. But definitely the Panchami one, because you know na that bibheti means for scared or like these things. When we are scaring from someone, then there will be also Panchami Vibhakti. That's why Kim Sabdarup Panchami Vibhakti we are using. Definitely Punglinga one. So Kasmat. Okay. Dash Brikshevya Falani Patanti. So from the tree the fruits are falling down. So Brikshevya Panchami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. That's why Etat also Panchami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam group will come. Etevya. Okay. Etevya Brikshevya. Now the next one, see. Correct the following sentences. That means in this sentence somewhere is the wrong something. We have to change that one. So first, which one is the wrong? We have to find out and we have to give underline. Then we have to write the proper answer. Let's see. कोऽपि नगरेण ग्रामं न गच्छति. That means no one is going to village from the town, but from the town. So from meaning is coming. That's why definitely there will be Panchama Vibhakti, but it is given here Tritiya Vibhakti. That means this one is the wrong. That's why I not circle, I give an underline, then I write the right one, correct one. Nagarat. Okay. Nagarat gramang na gacchati. Kopi nagarat gramang na gacchati. So instead of this one, you have to put this one here. Okay. Now the next one. Ete vanaraha. Your choice. You can write only this answer also, or you can write full sentence also. When you want to write the full sentence, that time you have to write this one here and you have to underline. Okay. Now next one. Ete vanaraha brikshaihi kurdanti. So brikshaihi, this is also Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. That means, and Tritiya meaning is starting, Tritiya meaning is with. So with brikshaihi, that means with the trees. The monkeys are jumping with the trees. It is not possible. That's why Vanaraha brikshaihi kurdanti. That means it is wrong. So we have to use here Panchami Vibhakti. Because from the tree monkeys are jumping. That's why brikshebhyaho. Okay, not the brikshaihi. Now next one. Tavihi shakhavihi shuskani patrani patanti. Shuskani patrani patanti. So Shuskani patrani, falling down from the tree. That's why definitely Panchami Vibhakti. That's why, from the branches. That's why Shakhabhyaho it should be. Panchami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Shakhabhyaho. And this one also you have to change. Why? Because this one also mentioning this branches only. That's why it is also you have to change. Tabhyaho Shakhabhyaho. And Tavihi Shakhavihi, this is fully wrong. We cannot use Tritiya Vibhakti. Because with the branches only, this leaves are falling down. Means both are falling down. That leaves and branches both are falling down. It is not possible. We cannot use with. We have to use only Panchami Vibhakti here. That's why Tabhyaho Shakhabhyaho. Okay. So Tabhyaho Shakhabhyaho Shuskani Patrani Patanti. Okay. Now the next one. Twang Vidyalayena Vahihi Katham Gacchasi. Vidyalayena Vahihi means with the school, out of the school, you are going, where you are going with the school. It is not possible. With the school, it is not coming only the meaning. That's why where you are going out of the school or from the school. বিদ্যালয়ের বাইরে তুমি কোথায় যাচ্ছ? বিদ্যালয়ে না বহি, it is not possible. That's why বিদ্যালয়াত বহি. From the school, out of the school, you are going where? That's why বিদ্যালয়াত, বিদ্যালয়ের বাইরে, বিদ্যালয় থেকে বাইরে. অ্যাকচুয়ালি মিনিং ইজ বিদ্যালয় থেকে বাইরে. বিদ্যালয়ের বাইরে তো হয় না, বিদ্যালয়ের থেকে বাইরে, আউটসাইড অফ দ্য স্কুল. That's why Panchami Vibhakti. Vidyalayat. Okay. That's why you cannot say Tritiya Vibhakti. You have to use only Panchami Vibhakti. Vidyalayat. Now, Boyang Gramena Nagarang Tandulang Nayamaha. ग्रामात नगरं तंडुलं नयामः. ग्रामात. Okay. So বয়ং গ্রামীণ নগরং তণ্ডুলং নয়ামহ. That means বয়ং, that means we all. গ্রামীণ নগরং তণ্ডুলং নয়ামহ. Tondulong means rice. We are bringing the rice from the village to town. From the village. That's why definitely Pancham Vibhakti meaning will come. Pancham Vibhakti is coming. That's why gramat. We cannot write gramena. Tritiya Vibhakti not coming. It is coming Pancham Vibhakti. Because from. That's why gramat. Okay. Now translate the following sentences. Sanskrit to English. There is no place. That's why I also write in copy. You also copy, please, in your Sanskrit CW copy only. From my pictures, I will send you the picture. Twang kasmat mandirang agachasi. From which temple are you coming? Okay, from which temple are you coming? Now the next one. Aham aponat बालकेभ्यः मोदकानि आनयामि. I am bringing laddus from the shop for boys. I am bringing laddus from the shop for boys. Because aponat, that's why from the shop. Shop means aponat. Dokan. Dokan called in Sanskrit aponat. Grihat vahihi eka batika asti. Outside of the house, one garden is there. So, bahihi, that means outside. That's why grihat bahihi. That's why outside of the house. Okay. So, outside of the house, one garden is there. And garden means, you know, batika. So, grihat bahihi eka batika asti. Now the next one. Himalayat Ganga Prabhavati. Himalayat, definitely Pancham Vibhakti. So Ganga is flowing from the Himalayas. See the next one. Chhatraha Gramebhyaha Nagaram Pathanaya Agachati. Chhatra means many students. Many students are coming from the village, okay, to the town for reading. So we can write many students are coming to town from the village for studying. Now next one. These fruits are falling from this tree. From this tree. So this tree, this is Punglinga. Tree, Biksaha Punglinga. And from, that means Pancham Vibhakti. What is in tree you have to put Pancham Vibhakti. Because from this tree. Okay, according to meaning you have to put the vibhakti. You cannot put Pancham Vibhakti in fruit, but you have to put Pancham Vibhakti in tree, because from this tree, not from the fruit. It is written here from this tree. That's why you have to write. You have to put Pancham Vibhakti in tree. That means Briksha Sabdarup Pancham Vibhakti Ekavachanam, because this, not that these. This is written, that's why Ekavachanam. So let's see, these fruits are falling from the tree. So etasmat briksat etani phalani patanti. Okay, now see the next one. See, these students are going from the school. These students Bahuvachanam. These students are going home from school. So, etaha chhatraha vidyalayat griham gachanti. Vidyalayat Pancham Vibhakti, okay? Because from school, that's why you have to put Pancham Vibhakti in school. That's why Vidyalayat. My friend is coming from Mathura. My friend is coming from Mathura. My means mama. So मम मित्रं मथुरायाः आगच्छति. मम मित्रम my friend मथुरायाः. मथुरा feminine gender आ की मात्रा, that's why feminine gender रूप only you have to apply. पंचमी विभक्ति मथुरायाः आगच्छति, like लतायाः you have to write मथुरायाः आगच्छति. Okay, my friend is coming from Mathura. Now the next one, who is not afraid of the snake? सर्पात् कः न बिभेति. सर्पात् कः न बिभेति. Question mark. Who is not afraid of the snake? Question mark. That's why you have to follow this question mark also. Now the next one. Who is going out of this garden? Who is going out of this garden? एतस्याः बाटिकायाः बहिः कः गच्छति. बाटिकायाः. Here we put Pancham Vibhakti. Why? Let's see. Who is going out of this garden? I told minus, from or scared. There you have to use Pancham Vibhakti. See, here it is minus from the garden. From where? From the garden. Not from the house. Not from the school. From the garden only. So who is going out from the garden? That's why this from meaning is coming only in garden. From meaning coming from the garden only. That's why in Batika word we are using Panchami Vibhakti. And this garden, that means this one, mentioning this garden only. That's why etasya also same Vibhakti we are putting. So etasyaः बाटिकायाः बहिः कः आगच्छति. Question mark. Because here also question mark. Okay. So this much only your today's work. And this 6 number and 7 number you have to copy in your CW copy only. Okay. I'll send you the picture.